Welcome back to the second edition of What Happened Wednesday, presented by Asuka Soryu. Last week, Professor Farouk introduced the concept of a closed-loop system. Unlike an open loop or uncontrolled system, a closed loop uses sensor feedback to control the system. This causes a relationship between the sensor's noise N and the plant output Y. These are the transfer functions for tracking, disturbance rejection, and noise control of the closed-loop system. To get the best results, we want the value of tracking as close to 1 as possible and noise as low as possible. The problem is that they are governed by identical transfer functions. The way a baka, like Shinji, would deal with this would be to demand some unobtainium sensor that produces negligible noise. But obviously this would be impractical, so a more clever solution is to separate R and N in the frequency domain. As you can see, there is a frequency at which noise surpasses tracking. This point, omega B, will split the frequency range into 2 sections, one where we can pursue tracking and another for noise reduction. Thank you for watching.